Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start inside your profile because that's where Mlbb stores home screen settings. Tap your avatar at the top left and choose Theme or Background. This opens the editor where you change the hero showcase. Once the menu loads, make sure the hero or skin you want is unlocked, since locked items won't appear. You're taking the first actionable step now. Select the hero option rather than static wallpapers so the game can place a 3D model on your home screen. Once done selecting the Hero tab, browse your available roster and tap the hero or specific skin you want displayed. You're choosing the exact model the game will render. Make sure to use preview controls to adjust camera zoom, rotation, and any idle animation. This affects how the character fills the screen, so it looks balanced with icons. After adjusting, press Confirm or Apply. The client saves a profile preference and replaces the default art. To finish, tap Save or Apply and then return to the main menu to verify the new hero appears on your home screen. This ensures the change persisted. If you don't see it, restart the app. Caching sometimes prevents instant updates. Make sure the skin ownership is valid, because missing ownership causes fallback images. If problems continue, clear the game cache from settings or reinstall. That resolves corrupted preview assets so your selected hero displays correctly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.